Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of starring a message in WhatsApp Web. Starring messages can help you quickly access important or favorite messages within a chat. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp web application or visiting www.whatsapp.com. Step 2. Navigate to the desired chat where you want to star a message. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Step 3. Find the message you want to star within the chat history. Step 4. Hover over the message, and you'll notice a down arrow icon appear. Click on it to reveal a list of options. Step 5. From the list, select Star to mark the message as important or favorite. By following these steps, you can easily star a message in WhatsApp Web and have quick access to important information or favorite moments within your chats. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.